Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about the qualities of a successful businessman. A businessman needs to have certain inherent qualities as well as certain acquired traits which are essential in order to become a successful entrepreneur or a businessman. So some of these qualities are entrepreneurial spirit. So entrepreneurial spirit basically refers to the desire to become an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who brings a business entity into existence. So, a successful businessman should have the spirit of entrepreneurship. Some of the key essentials in order to become a good entrepreneur are good ideas, enthusiasm. The business man needs to be hardworking. So, and even the entrepreneur or the businessman needs to have business management skills and management expertise which are needed in order to succeed in the business. Next is innovative. Innovative refers to the ability to come up with new ideas. So, a successful businessman should be creative and innovative. In order to succeed in the business, innovation is the key, wherein customers keep on demanding new and improved products. So, a successful businessman needs to have the quality of being innovative so that they can continuously strive in order to think of new products in order to succeed in the business. Next is knowledge of business. The businessman needs to have knowledge about the various functions of a business associated with business activities like production, distribution, marketing, human resources. Apart from that, a successful businessman also needs to have our knowledge, okay, thorough or start a thorough understanding of the business, and the businessman also needs to be clear of the aims and objectives of the organization. Next is risk taking capability. Every business is basically involves a lot of risk. So risk is inherent in any business. So a successful businessman should have the capacity to bear any unprecedented risks which are associated with the business activities. Next is energy and drive. And a successful businessman should be continuously focused on achieving profits, and they should be self motivated. Only when they are self motivated will they motivate the other employees who are working in the organization to achieve the goals of the business. Next is disciplinarian. A successful businessman needs to be a strict disciplinarian in the sense that the businessman should have good time management skills so that they can take the right kind of decisions at the right kind of time. Further, a successful businessman should also be tactful and diplomatic. Tactful and diplomatic refers to the ability of a businessman to handle a crisis situation or any emergencies which arise in the business. And also, they need to be the businessman needs to have a tactful and diplomatic approach in handling the competitors. Next is confidence. A businessman should be confident enough of their own qualities or their own abilities in handling the business. Only when the businessmen are confident of their abilities will they can they instill confidence in other people who are working in the organization. Next is a successful businessman needs to have the initiative and capacity to make the right kind of decisions and again at the right kind of time. A businessman has to tackle many problems every day. They also have to undertake many decisions in order to counter the various problems. So the businessman should make sure that they channelize the energy in order to or the and make the right kind of decisions in order to achieve the organizational goals. Next is impressive personality. A businessman having a pleasing personality is always an asset. Now, personality includes various components or various qualities and traits which are necessary for making a business successful. Like the businessman needs to be courteous and polite in their dealings and needs to have pleasing manners. Because only when the people have pleasing manners or when they're courteous and polite will they get full cooperation from the various parties which are associated with the business. Next is a businessman needs to be hardworking. Now, there is no substitute for hard work, and success comes along with hard work. So, every businessman should make sure that they are dedicated towards their work, and when they are dedicated towards their work, only then can they set an example for the other people who are working in the organization, especially the employees, to contribute their 100% towards achieving the goals of the organization. The last one is a businessman needs to be adaptable. Now, business operates in an environment which is highly complex and ever changing. So, in order to adjust themselves to the changing situations, a businessman should also be adaptable. Uh, Apart from that, all types of changes which are witnessed in business activities demand changes in the business world, and also changes in the way the business is handled by the businessman. So good businessmen should also make sure that they adapt themselves to the changing business situations. Like if a businessman was keen on carrying out transactions only on the basis of cash and not on the basis of credit, and in the economic situation like the current COVID pandemic, in such cases when business when people are there's shortage of purchasing power from the people side, or there's a lack of money from the people side, the businessman should change the business change the business modules and allow people to take goods even on credit. So these are some of the things which the businessmen can do in order to adapt themselves to the changing situations. So these are the various qualities for becoming a successful businessman.